Hello and good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. I hope you are well on this slightly damp and grey day. It is Thursday already. This week has flown by. So it is, what is the 11th of June already, and you're well and truly into your week-long worth of work. I'm here to talk to you this morning a little bit about online time. I have some pictures of some lovely cakes, none of which I have baked, but would you take all of these? Is too much of a good thing? Would you eat all of them? No, I might put my Jaffa cakes down here, which is a big favourite of mine. Too much of a good thing. All of these cakes, all of the time, is that okay? Or do we pick and choose what's right for us? Now, my next guilty pleasure. I hold my head in shame. I've taken my family to KFC. We have done it safely through the drive-through, but I could not resist. But did I take bucket after bucket after bucket of hot wings? No. I took my time, I had what was good for me, and I then left the place. Too much of a good thing? Possibly. Now, you younger people, those hanging out with friends all the time, that's been really, really difficult over the last few weeks. But if you've got friends, is it good to be hanging out with them all of the time, removing yourself from your family unit and those people that care around you? Is it too much of a good thing? And to my point, online time. As a school at the moment, we have a necessity to make sure you are online to be able to continue your learning. That's going to look different over the coming weeks, but it is important. But is it too much of a good thing? Online time is fantastic. It is absolutely brilliant. It is just like that bonus bucket of KFC. However, too much of a good thing is not good for you. So your online time, it does need to be moderated. You need to pick and choose when the right time to be online is. When is it the right time to start your TikTok? When is the right time to binge watch that series of Netflix? And make sure you're not getting too much of a good thing. Just like picking that plate of cakes up, just like picking that KFC up, too much of a good thing is not necessarily a good thing for you. So please make sure that you're aware that this is great, is appropriate, is absolutely perfect, but too much is not going to be necessarily good for you. I hand now over to Mr. Watkins. Apologies for the slight delay. I hand over to Mr. Watkins for your highlights of the day. See you soon, Bexleyheath Academy.
Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. Hopefully you can all see and hear me. It's lovely to be back on site and to see some colleagues, and I look forward to some students returning in the next few weeks. Now, it's my pleasure to introduce to you today a few birthday shout-outs. So a huge happy birthday to those students that I will start reading out in a little bit when the document loads up. Before I get on to the birthday, I just want to say the joke of the day today. Now, what does the policeman say to his belly button? You're under a vest. Now, I also want to talk to you about something that in the next couple of weeks we'll be showing to the rest of the community at Bexleyheath Academy, and that's talking about what we could do to improve sustainability. We're all seeing massive changes in levels of pollution, in levels of traffic, and those are things that we want to continue keeping the trends down as we move forward into the next phase. Now, I've got Riley in year 8, who is 13 today. A huge happy birthday from everyone at Bexleyheath. And we have Finley in year 10, who is 15 today. A huge happy birthday to both of you today. Make the most of it. Go out if you can. See friends and family at safe distances wherever appropriate. Have a wonderful day, and I hope you enjoy those cakes. I'm going to hand over to Miss Pye now.
Good morning, everyone. So I'm here to talk to the year 12s and to talk to you about an opportunity we're going to start next week, which is to have an Express EPQ qualification. So if you want to find out a little bit more about what it is and how you might be able to get an extra half an A level, come look out for an email from me tomorrow, and there will be a Google Meet on Monday, period 3 at 11:30 for you to come and find a little bit more out and see if it's something you'd like to take up over the summer and into early next year to get you an extra qualification. So all we just want to finish up and say is to make sure that you stay safe, that you are staying at home, that you are washing your hands and you're washing it for 20 seconds. Try and stay as fit and healthy as you possibly can during this situation. And if you do go outside, make sure you respect that 2-metre rule. Okay, have a lovely day, everyone. Goodbye.